I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming compatibility. NVMe versus SATA and the physical form factor like 2280. Once done, back up your most important files and create recovery media so you can recover if something fails. Next, connect the new SSD with a USB adapter or enclosure and launch cloning software. Make sure the target drive is initialized as GPT if your system uses UEFI. You'll clone the whole disk image to preserve boot records, so pick a reliable cloning tool and verify source and target before proceeding. You run the clone with either sector by sector for identical layouts or file level to skip unused space. Monitor progress and address any read errors immediately. Once cloning finishes and verifies, shut down the laptop and disconnect power. Remove the internal battery if possible to avoid shorts. Open the access panel with the right screwdriver and keep screws organized. Carefully unscrew and slide out the old SSD, then seat the new drive in the same orientation. Fasten the bracket and reconnect any cables you removed. You power on and immediately enter BIOS or UEFI to confirm the new SSD is detected and set as the primary boot device. Also verify NVMe mode and secure boot settings. Once you boot into the OS, check disk management for correct partition sizes, alignment, and that the system partition is active. If everything looks good, reclaim old drive space or repurpose the old SSD. If the laptop fails to boot, use the recovery media to repair the bootloader or run automatic startup repair. Sometimes toggling SATA mode or resetting BIOS helps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.